Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Copilot Studio Advent Calendar. My name is Bulent, and today I'm presenting you how you can get easily into the Copilot Studio topic and how is this accessible. So first of all, what I'm always saying is it's easy just to start with video just to see the potentials. Therefore, I'm highlighting you in this case the Microsoft Copilot Studio YouTube channel, which is an official channel and they also started again with new videos, especially with highlights coming up from Ignite. This gives you a good first impression of what Copilot Studio is able to do, and especially in the age of agents, this is important. The second thing, what I'm also advising people is just to deep dive into more. If you want to read more about this, is the Microsoft Copilot Studio documentation. So this is something as a beginner, maybe not that easy because it's just not a book that you just read from A to Z, but it's very helpful in terms of in getting some examples, how you can create your own co-pilots or your agent there. And this is also helpful as well. Then I do have an own newsletter created for Copilot Studio where I'm collecting every week very, very good videos, as you can see and scroll down. So in that case, if you just accept this one, for example, then you will see if you're logged in and subscribed to this one, that experts like Microsoft employees or MVPs are presenting week per week what is new in Copilot Studio. So in this week, there's a lot of Ignite stuff there, plus as well good use cases from MVPs, which is really valuable. So there's a lot of content which you can also consume, which helps you on your path. And when you're ready with this, then you start your journey with creating some agents and happy Copilot. So in this case, goodbye.